Welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change currency on Blue Wallet. First of all, find and open Blue Wallet application on your device. Now, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see three dots. Click on it. And on the second tab, you can see currency option. Click on the currency. And you can find different currencies here. Find the currency you want and click on it. After that, click on the arrow button which is at the top left corner of your screen. And you can see that your currency has been changed. So that is how you can change currency in Blue Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.